Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another cooking video. Today's video I will be making a one-pot Cajun pasta chicken breast cut up and chicken sausage pasta dish. It's beginners friendly, it's quick, easy, and affordable, and I will leave a description down below of everything I'm using. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you try this dish and let me know how you like it. Okay, beautiful people, let's get started. So what I will be using, I have some chopped onions, red and yellow peppers, minced garlic, seasoning. I used spice and herb Creole seasoning, Louisiana Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, and some salt. I have heavy whipping cream, Italian 5 cheese blend, stock chicken broth, penne noodles, I told you minced garlic, and I have some chopped up chicken breast and chicken sausage. So that's what I will be using, and butter. So let's head over to the stove. Fire on medium. I put in some olive oil. I'll leave a description down below of everything that I am using today. So first things first, I'm going to start cooking my sausage and chicken. I am making Cajun chicken pasta. You can use shrimp, you can use whatever type of sausage you want to use, you can use whatever meat you want, but my household, we don't eat pork, we don't eat beef, so that's why I'm using the chicken sausage, the sweet chicken Italian sausage, and I have some cut up chicken breast. Cause I eat seafood, but my boyfriend doesn't, he's allergic, so I'm having this. So we're gonna cook this down and I'll be right back. Alright, so the chicken and sausage is cooked, so now we're gonna add the yellow peppers, the green peppers, and the onion. Go ahead, King. I have my little helper. My son is helping me. Alright guys, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Give us a comment. You know the deal. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. I hope you guys try this dish for your family and you enjoy it, because we're going to enjoy ours. So we're going to cook the peppers down. Mix and mix. Mix it. Alright, stop mixing it. We're going to add our minced garlic. Minced garlic. Seasoning. I'm going to mix that seasoning all over. Want your peppers to cook down some, let them get soft. Next, you're going to add in your chicken broth. I'm only going to use 1.5 cups chicken broth. I lied. I'm going to use 2 cups of chicken broth. See all the seasoning throughout the whole pot. It smells so good. It's going to be so delicious. We're going to add our penne noodles. You're going to let your penne noodles cook. I'm not making a big pot, so I'm not using the whole box of penne noodles. But you're going to let it boil down. Keep watching your noodles, because you don't want your noodles to get soggy. And we're going to put in our noodles. You're going to let your noodles cook in. Alright, we're gonna turn your heat down and let your noodles cook, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright, so our pasta is boiled. It's nice and soft, and you see it's not that much, so I did have to add some more of the chicken broth, so I'm gonna say do 3 cups. Now we're gonna add in our heavy whipping cream. Add in the whipping cream. I'm gonna mix this in. So we're gonna use 1 pint of the heavy whipping cream. I have this one, so I'm gonna use the whole thing. Pour it in. Alright. So you definitely want to make sure your fire is low, because you don't want to scorch your milk. Now guys, this reminds me of like Rasta pasta, but there's no jerk sauce, seasoning, and no Pomerosa. If you're interested in learning how to make Rasta pasta, I do have a video that I did, so be sure to check that out. I also have beauty videos, also have other cooking recipes that I did with my family, so be sure to check that out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. And now our heavy cream is coming to a boil. So now we'll add the Italian 5 cheese blend. You can add as much cheese as you like. Cheese overload. 1 pot Cajun chicken and sausage dish. Alright, so mixing that cheese. This shit is hot. Watch out. Alright, let's get that cheese in there. And guys, we're almost done, because the cheese is the final step. I'm using, I like cheese. This is the cheese that I use. This is the cheese that I am using. I'm gonna mix this in. Put your fire on low heat. Let it cook some to melt your cheese good, and you're done. It's very easy, beginners friendly, and it's delicious. Nice little dinner for your family. Look at all this cheese. So I'm gonna let it just cook down some. Covered. Alright guys, so I let it cook for a little. And it smells so good, especially that cheese. We're all done. So what you want to do is let it sit to cool down for a little before you eat some, because it's real hot. But this is our finished delicious meal. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and try this dish at home with your family. See you next time.